Very good evening to all student members from various different engineering institutions. Today, we are going to discuss about the most interesting and very important topic for discussion: career tips for engineering students. Here in this lecture, we are going to see what are all the main the career goals to be formulated as being an engineering student right from the first year onwards. What are the skills that you have to develop, and in what possible way those skills that must be tested in different cases? So we are going to see the entire thing in the form of a nutshell. So we will straight away start exploring the today's session by building up an essential roadmap for your professional journey. So first let us discuss the basic objectives of today's segment, the career tips to engineering students. First and foremost thing is fix an aim to complete at least one or two internship to gain industry clarity. Build projects that make you to feel more confident by doing the real world work to gain experience without relying on prior work history. Next thing, identify the specific engineering role, industry, and location you want. Then align your remaining coursework and job applications within the targeted area of study. Stay relevant by mastering industry specific tools such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, CAD, or cloud computing. Connect with industry professionals on LinkedIn, attend career fairs, and connect with alumni network to find hidden job opportunities. Focus on improving communication skills, teamwork, and leadership skills, which are the essential part for professional roles. So these are the main objectives for today's workshop session. Now let us start with the basic foundation. So your journey begins with a clear vision. You must set clear goals by defining your short-term objectives and long-term objectives according to the aspirations early in your studies. This includes your specific area of interest as soon as possible. To support these goals, you must build strong fundamentals. That is main important thing nowadays. Focus on core subjects that form the backbone of your discipline. Prioritize understanding concepts over simple memorization. So try to understand the concept and apply on real life application by doing some mini projects, etc., instead of simply memorizing it. In addition to that, in today's market, theoretical knowledge is not more than enough. So you need to develop technical skills by learning programming languages like Python or C++ and mastering industry relevant certification courses. Bridge the gap between the theory and practice by gaining practical experience. Pursue internship and projects to see how engineering works in the real world. Actively participate in workshops and labs to sharpen your hands-on abilities. Next one is improving your communication skills. So the technical brilliance needs a wrapper of soft skills. Successful engineer must master in communication to explain the complex idea in front of others. Teamwork and leadership to thrive in collaboration environment, time management to handle demanding projects. So these are the essential skill trait for the today's engineer. As you grow, create a strong resume that highlight the project and the skills in a professional format, in a clear professional format. Don't forget the power of networking, connect with professionals through LinkedIn and industry events to open the doors for new opportunities. Nowadays, the engineering field moves very fast, so you have to stay updated by following the latest technologies, by reading journals or blogs. This is quite important. When it when it comes time for job hunt, prepare for interviews by practicing aptitude test, coding challenges, and by doing mock test. So for those with a vision for challenge, consider the entrepreneurship option as a primary thing by doing lot of projects related to the startups by focusing on innovative to solve the real world problems. So remember one thing, continuous learning is the primary key to staying relevant to the field. So stay focused, keep motivating yourself every day in and day out. Do the work that best suits you in your career. So a final message which I put as a reminder for today's students. So thank you for your commitment by building a strong fundamentals and moving beyond mere memorization. Today's engineering students are much more far better compared to the earlier engineering students, since you people are getting lot of exposure, practical exposure by doing lot of industry internship and so on. So instead of keep on memorizing the concept without understanding anything, so that won't serve you in future. Next one. I'm really confident that you people will develop technical skills in Python and C++ by doing practical internship in coding, and surely will become the industry leaders of tomorrow. Whether you choose the path of entrepreneurship to solve the real world problems or excel in corporate roles, remember that continuous learning is your most valuable tool wherever you step on in your career in future. So with this information, I thank all the student members for attending the today's online session. Once again, I wish all the best for your bright engineering career. Thank you all.